Artlist.io.
Can you treat me like somebody? I don't want just anybody. I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Try to dive on a Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party.
Music licensing reimagined.
Got that pressure, don't need no straw. Shawty, you special, I need your love. Need your love, need your love right now. Won't tell nobody. Down the middle, if I get it, then you got it. Seen the first inside the lobby. That's a girl I want for life right beside me. Still together through whatever, like we signed me. Stage low type, I keep telling. Oh,
Okay, you guys. Now, what's up, Misters, Mrs., and Miss? I want to show you. Got everything ready. Got these tomatillas. Now, that is the seasonings, so don't be alarmed by the Pyrex. Those are the seasonings. Y'all see how they slide on down? I got olive oil up in there that I cooked them in. And these are cooked with, let me see, salt, sea salt, granulated onion, paprika, what else? Black pepper. I believe that's about it. So, those are ready. Now, instead of tomatillas, I wanted some green tomatoes. I wanted to fry some green tomatoes, but I don't know where to get them from out here. So I'm gonna have to look that up. Or if y'all are in California, let me know where to get them from. Where do I get them from? Okay, so those are ready. The tomatillas, and those are good too. Tomatillas are good too. The beans, baked beans are heating up. I'm gonna have to try some of this chicken with y'all. Let's see, let's see. This is how it looks. That's how it looks. Oh, y'all. This is good. I got this from SAFEWAY. It's by Fire and Smoke. Barbecue sauce, smoked cherry barbecue sauce. It's really good. Gotta try it. Then I just, mixed it in with the barbecue sauce and minced garlic. Oh, it's really good. I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey y'all, so we got the finished plate. This, y'all, is so good. Smoked cherry barbecue sauce.
Hey,
No, you got to taste the chicken, babe. You taste the beans.
hey, but the beans is also good. These is them bushes. I think them bushes these good too. Look, and they go grab my
Taste the chicken, babe.
my boo bear, put in there. You know what I'm saying? Some sweet and.
Why you gonna taste that one? Taste a different one.
I want that one.
No, taste a different one.
Shit, look, I can't even taste the one I want to
Yeah,
taste.
I'm being bossy, y'all. Yes.
Okay. What's the lady name that had the song called "I'm Bossy"? Hey, we're gonna use this for a clip of my podcast.
Taste it, babe. I
too.
want you to tell them how the sauce tastes.
What's the
Smoked
girl?
cherry, y'all. Smoked cherry barbecue.
Oh.
And with the minced garlic. I
Tossed
tossed it in the barbecue and minced garlic. Plus, y'all saw all the seasonings on there, too. Let me get you a napkin, baby.
Oh, my goodness.
It's good, babe.
What?
Speak up for the people.
Come on, man. Y'all need to.
Speak up, babe.
Y'all come. Hey.
Here.
Look.
We're gonna go on and eat, y'all. They came out good. They came out really good.
David screaming demon, man. I'm telling you. No, she my
I told him I don't like that word
excuse
demon.
my language.
Screaming demon. I don't like
But
that.
when-
I don't do that word demon.
But when they got that Hellcat and that motor though, that thing.
Oh, you like the word demon? Hey, y'all. So we gonna go on and eat. Tell the people have a good night. We talk to y'all later. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up.
I read my voice up.
Subscribe when you haven't if you haven't already.
Baby.
Share with others and everything. Y'all have a good night.
Sugar, sugar, fire and desire.
Bye, y'all.